फोमेंतो रिसॉर्ट आणि हॉटेल्स प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेडाची MD आणि CEO अंजू तिंबलो प्रतिष्ठेचो काशीनाथ दामोदर नायक प्रायड ऑफ गोवा लायफ टायम अचिव्हमेंट पुरस्कार 2025 शेनवारा भेटयलो. विस्तियॉन कॉर्पोरेशनाचो अध्यक्ष आणि CEO सचिन लवंदे यांका काशीनाथ दामोदर नायक प्रायड ऑफ गोवा उद्देजक पुरस्कार फावो जाला. मडगांवां ह्या पुरस्कारांचो वितरण सुवाळो जालो.
गोवा चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स आणि काशीनाथ दामोदर नायक मेमोरियल ट्रस्ट संयुक्त उपक्रमांतल्यान हो पुरस्कार भेटयता.
No idea about the place at all. My mother had said, हम किसी को नहीं जानते हैं वहाँ. I must give credit to my mother-in-law who taught me Konkani from first day. In 6 months I knew the language and it made it so easy for people who worked with me. I think language is the real secret. Are we all Goans not interested in Goa? Why are we in a Goa like the way it is? This land belongs to us and we have to keep it, the people and the land.
Sacrifice came a very simple realization. If I was going to go away that far from my home and my people, I had to give it my absolute best and make it count. It is a celebration of everyone that has shaped it. My parents, all the mentors along the way, and even the people that work with me every day today. I can only do so much as a single person. It's the collective effort that makes companies. Very lucky and proud to have an amazing global team at Vistion that has managed to make this company one of the top in its field worldwide. How do we do more in Goa? We have done a lot, but a lot more can be done.
Prudent खातीर साहिल मांद्रेकर.